The 2013 Honda Civic Coupe. With fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the 5-speed automatic transmission. All of the premium features expected of a Honda are offered, including delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, and power windows. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.